Check out this 2016 Buick Cascada Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, driver confidence package, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio and air conditioning. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.